Okay, so hi dear Libra, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is no contact reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising from 6th till the 12th of January. The roles can be reversed. Action can be from your side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from quite a long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots, or you can mail us if you have any queries. Let's start. Libra, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, the Empress card. So this is someone around you who feels like coming forward towards you like a friend kind of energy, and they feel like having a growth and expansion kind of energy like a friend only as of now. Now this person feels like they are stable enough and they have grown enough from whatever happened, that now they can have this ability to be just a friend only, or to have a friendship kind of a deal with you, maybe for the rest of their lives. But right now this person sees growth and expansion in this area, in this dynamic between you and them, as a friend only, and they feel like they're mature enough, grounded enough, and understanding enough to carry forward this kind of energy between you and them. Okay, this is what they feel. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Temperance, the Six of Pentacles, the Lovers. See, their intention is to have a balanced kind of energy between you and them, and at the same time with something else or someone else also. So maybe they're already married, they're already committed, and or they're already having some kind of energy that they are invested in, like maybe work, maybe their own personal growth, maybe spiritual growth, or whatever. But they feel like their intention here is to balance the situation between you and them as well, and balance the situation between them and whatever they are dealing with apart from you, right? Whatever or whosoever they are dealing with apart from you as well, and patiently waiting for the time, and everything is going to be fine between you guys. By the word fine, I feel right now they are in this energy of having a friendship kind of a deal only. Right now they just want to have a stable kind of dynamic between you and them, where both of you are on the same page and know that both of you want nothing more than friendship kind of a deal. This is what their intention is, to balance the situation between you and them, and between them and something else or someone else that they're already dealing with in their life apart from the situation. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 12th of January. Let's see. We have the Queen of Wands, the King of Wands, the Hierophant. Wow, unexpected. So somebody is coming forward towards you because the pull is so strong that they will not be able to resist the pull, resist the attraction, and they are going to come forward towards you, and they are going to talk about marriage or commitment or long-term partnership. I'm not saying that this person is going to come forward towards you for marriage and commitment with you, but they are going to talk to you about marriage or commitment and long-term partnership kind of a deal, because Queen of Wands and King of Wands are two energies where both of them are willing to wear their heart on their sleeves, but the stability portion is kind of missing here. Both of them are ready to take the action. Both of them are on the same page, but when it comes to the stability portion, that's missing. Hmm? So that's why I do see somebody coming forward towards you talking about marriage, long-term partnership, commitment, but not essentially with you. For some of you, it could be with you, but for most of you, it's not with you. It's about the thing that they're already dealing with, and with you, they want to have a connection where it is going to last forever. Wow, difficult. For you, the guidance here is stay grounded. Stay as much grounded as you can in the situation. Use all of your maturity, groundedness, and understanding of relationship and love area, and then move forward. Do not make any kind of decision based out of passion or attraction only, because it might backfire in the coming future, Libra. So even if you're getting very much attracted to the idea of being with somebody, maybe just a friend only, or for some of you maybe friends with benefits, understand that this situation can bring a lot of pain as well if not uh, taken care of right now. That is what the deal is with the situation. Now it's up to you what you're going to do about it, honey. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.